Are you tired of having empty pockets because of your electric bill? Unhappy that your hot water doesn't last long?
Yup.
I have a solution for that. Hi, Alexander Menace here today to introduce you to the newest, most improved and efficient solar water system in town. It's called Heater 4000. The heater is 100% guaranteed to make your place a better home. And you want to know what's the best part of it?
Yeah, why not?
Of course you do. Well, number one, you're using solar energy, so guess what?
Okay.
More money in your pockets.
Haven't seen that in a while.
Of course you haven't. Anyways, second, you're making the environment a better place. The environment will go from this to this. It sounds good, doesn't it? Thought so. And number three, we installed the Heater 4000, not for 100 or not for 50, but for free.
For free.
That's what I said. Anyways, the best part of this water heater 4000 is that it is only $600.
Wowzers, what a steal.
Most solar water heaters range from $100 to about $1,000, but with us, you're saving a lot of money. So make your pocket bigger by switching to solar.